In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to edit or delete a refund or customer credit in Wave accounting. Whether you need to make a quick correction or completely remove a transaction, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can manage your finances with ease. To get started, first you'll want to navigate to the Transactions section within your Wave accounting dashboard. To do this, head over to the sidebar menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see several options available, but what you are looking for is labeled as Accounting. Once you find it, simply click on Accounting and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Transactions. This area is essentially the heart of your financial activity tracking within Wave, showing all your recorded transactions in one place. Next, you need to locate the specific incoming deposit transaction you're aiming to edit or delete. This might be a refund or a customer credit that you've previously recorded. You can scroll through your list of transactions or use the search functionality if you have a lot of entries and need to pinpoint it quickly. Once you've found the transaction, you'll be ready to make the necessary adjustments. If your goal is to edit the transaction, you have a couple of options. For quick changes, you can click directly on the fields you wish to modify, such as the amount or description. This inline editing feature is particularly handy for minor tweaks. However, if you need to alter more details, you'll want to expand the row for that transaction. Look for the small arrow or plus sign at the left end of the row, click it, and more details will unfold. From here, you can click on Edit More Details, which will open up a more comprehensive editing window. Here, you can adjust any aspect of the transaction you need to change, ensuring everything is accurate and up to date. On the other hand, if you've decided that the transaction needs to be completely removed, you'll follow a slightly different path. Look to the far right of the transaction row, and you'll notice a small drop-down arrow. Click on this arrow to reveal additional options, one of which will be Delete. By selecting Delete, you will remove the transaction entirely from your records in Wave. It's important to remember that deleting a transaction is permanent, so double-check that this is what you want to do before confirming the deletion. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your transactions, ensuring that your financial records in Wave accounting are both accurate and current. Whether you're editing details for clarity or eliminating errors by deleting unnecessary entries, Wave provides a user-friendly platform to handle these tasks without hassle. And that's it. You now know how to edit or delete a refund or customer credit in Wave accounting. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks on managing your finances effectively. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.